Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give a string, and then our program will count the number of lowercase characters in a given string by the user using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So before we start, I would like to inform everyone that I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my websites. Okay, so basically guys, I'm using PyCharm as my integrated development environment. So we have here print the title of our program, count lowercase characters in Python. So give a string stored in variable string count, we initialize to 0 using for loop statement for I in string. If I is lower, a function in Python, it will count. Okay, so here it will display the number of lowercase characters, and then end the program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, new line. Okay, so let us run our code. We have here lowercase, click run. Okay, count lowercase characters in Python, give a string, let's say Bacolod. City. Okay, so in the word Bacolod City, we have 6 lowercase characters. We have A, L, O, D, and I. Okay, that's correct. Another example, let's say computer. With the word computer, we have 3 lowercase that are letters M, P, and U. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video about count lowercase characters in Python programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.